Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be starting my daughter's hair growth journey using mini braids. Okay, I think they're cute, they're versatile, they're age appropriate, and you can really nourish the hair while it's protected, and the hair will have a lot of room to grow. So follow this journey if you guys want to see me grow my daughter's hair to mid back. Okay, I'm going to be realistic here, mid back, and then we're going to move on to waist length. Okay, but with that, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. So first, I'm just going to section her hair and start the mini braids. I'm going to be using this mango and lime locking gel or wax because I find that it is so much lighter than using the edge control, and plus the edge control has a way of leaving buildup, and I don't want to use anything too heavy on her hair that will cause her pores to be clogged, and that will just stunt growth. So we're going to go ahead and stick with the light products. For those of you who need a little extra help in knowing how to start a braid, I slowed this down so that you can get the concept. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue. And you guys, I'm going to do the stacking method. If you don't know what stacking method is, I'm going to show you right now once I'm done with this part. But I'm basically going to make sure that when I do my parts that I am starting in the center of the one at the bottom. Okay, as you can see right here, it's like stacking bricks. So I find that this way of parting is very cute. You know, it just looks more polished and more neat. But yeah, I'm going to be doing stacking throughout this whole style. So this is how you want your ends to look. This lets me know that the hair is healthy and in great shape. So I'm going to be coiling these ends throughout the style. And plus, I think it's a little extra protection. All right. So as you can see, I'm continuing with the mini braids. And as you can see, I'm wiggling my finger here because this video is also dedicated to people who needs extra support in learning how to braid. So as you can see that I'm placing my finger under each hair that I pull over. And I'm just going to repeat this process until we get a braid. I am done with the back, and look at those ends. Okay, this is how you want your ends to be. This lets me know that the hair is protected all the way down to the ends. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the front or the top of her head, making sure that my parts are consistent with the parts in the back, as you can see here. And I'm just going to complete this until I am finished. I can't wait because this style is so appropriate for a little girl, even on some grown women. I've seen some videos out there with some women wearing mini braids, and I've even saw a girl, which actually inspired me to grow my daughter's hair. There was a girl, I can't remember her name, but she is on a hair growth journey. She used mini braids and her hair has grown significantly. I was inspired by that young lady, and I hope this video inspires someone as well. Okay, sharing is caring. So if you guys want to follow my daughter's hair growth journey, I will do an update, I will say every month, on her progress, and I will entitle it hair growth journey, you know, whatever, week 1 or month 1. So I'm going to make sure that I title it appropriately so you guys can follow along. But I am excited, you know, to see where we go from here. As you can see, we are down to the final braid and we are getting it done. But don't leave yet. I'm going to show you guys a few hairstyles that I will be placing these mini twists in. Okay, but look at that. Her hair looks so healthy. Her scalps look so healthy, and it's just so easy for us to maintain. It's easy for us to shampoo, condition, you know, all the things. So we're going to be doing this for about a year, just to see where it takes us. But I think this is an easy way for your hair growth journey. So I'm going to start off by putting one ponytail and leaving some braids out just to give it a nice cute little flare. I wanted to put it into a side ponytail, but she was like, no, mommy, I want two. So I just listened to the princess. She gets anything she wants. She's going to get 2 ponytails today, okay? How cute this came out, you guys. And I even left out 2 little braids that serve as her bangs. All right, and you can even put 2 bows on the ponytails to give it a little bit more, you know, flair and a pop of color. I hope this video inspired you to start your hair growth journey using mini braids, or maybe your daughter health growth journey. So like I said, I will give an update at least once a month. So if you guys want to, you know, see how things are going, feel free to follow the journey. All right, and I'll be happy to post and give you guys the pros and cons and all of the goodness, and if we have any experiences that, you know, didn't serve us well. But until then, I'll see you guys in my next one, and I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.